Hi, Jessica. I'm excited to look at yours. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, I remember. It feels like forever since I've been in class. That is a beautiful front page. I can already tell this is going to be a good piece for your portfolio. All right. Very nicely aligned. It looks sharp, clear. You pay close attention to detail. You're repeating the design you've already set. All right, that looks beautiful too. I do recommend getting rid of these widows. Widow is one word on a line, and it's something that professional graphic designers edit in everything except for books. So what you do is you basically just start returning words to help that, or you might add a little more verbiage to flesh it out a little bit more. Okay, typography. So you're really only using two, right? Your logo and then this font. I don't see these fonts in here. I guess it's Century. So you might have misunderstood. It seems like you're saying all these fonts are allowed with your logo. So basically you just pick one. Also spell check. Arial is spelled with an A. So you pick one and then you show which ones you allow to be used with your logo, which typeface fonts. So let's say you pick Century and you probably want to allow the bold, the italics, the black, the condensed, whatever else comes with it. It's just basically you're the creative director for the branding, and you're saying all the art directors across the country, you're telling them what they're allowed to do with your logo. So you don't want to give people too many options because they'll mess it up. All right, this is beautiful, correctly done, very nice. Also looks really good. The black on white is fantastic. It really pops off the page, and I love this purple one right here. So this looks like an extra space. I know the keyboard does that sometimes. As long as you're consistent, if there's a list anywhere else, you want to make it exactly the same. It seems like it's extra wide though. You might want to set it to one. Just one space. Oh, look what they've done to your logo. They've ruined it. That's so fun. Very nice. Looks beautiful. I do suggest though, maybe you want a little bit more space towards the bottom underneath. That way people won't bump anything underneath. You know, you might get some clown takes your logo and they put a big C right under it. It was going to wreck it. So perhaps a ½ centimeter all the way around. All right, this looks really nice. Beautiful letterhead. The envelope looks fantastic. I love the JH there. It's really subtle. Consider putting a stamp image there. It'll pop your work off the page. Oops, you got a typo. Well, so you could just make something up. You can say, in multimedia, never distort the logo, never change the colors. You know, you can look at other branding guides on the internet and see what they say. Most of it is common sense. You can either say, contact client service representative, your little sister, to obtain animation ready graphics. You know, just put whatever whatever nonsense you want in there. So that's beautiful, nicely done. Well, very good. I hope you tighten this up just a little more and be proud of yourself. It's a really good piece for your portfolio.